Hello everyone, today's topic is story, a bear and a greedy farmer in English. Please do subscribe my channel. A farmer lived with his wife and children in a village. He was very greedy. He used to work in the fields. His wife and all the villagers used to scold him a lot for his greed, but he did not listen to anyone. Due to the greedy nature of the farmer, his wife and children left home, and all the villagers also did not talk to him. Now the farmer used to work alone in the field. One day he thought of hiring an animal to work in the field so that the animal would not have to be paid a salary. The farmer went to a forest and brought a bear from there. He told him to the bear that you work in his field and I will give you food to eat. The bear said that you should give me half the crop, but the farmer was very greedy. He told the bear that it is okay, you keep the upper part of the crop and I will keep the roots below. The farmer was very greedy and this time he sowed the turnip crop. The bear worked very hard in the field, but when the time came to harvest the crop, he gave the upper part of the crop to the bear and kept the lower part of the turnip for himself. The bear became very sad. The bear started going towards the forest. The farmer thought that if the bear goes away, then who will work in the field? So he stopped the bear by explaining to him that next time you keep the root at the bottom and I will keep the crop at the top. The bear agreed again, but this time the farmer sowed wheat crop in the field. This time too the bear worked very hard in the field. The crop was very good. The farmer told the bear that I keep the upper crop and you keep the roots below. This time the bear understood that the farmer was very greedy. So he left the farmer with a sad heart and went into the forest. But when the nearby villagers saw that the bear was working very hard and were not even getting the salary for his hard work, then they hired the bear to work in their fields. The other villagers were not greedy either, so they paid the bear a salary of his hard work, and the bear started working very hard in the fields and became very happy. But that farmer had become very lonely due to his greedy nature and his work was also not going well. The farmer started feeling sad. Moral: first is this story teaches us that greed is a bad thing. Second is greed is curse. Thanks for watching.